Good morning again. Well, got something exciting. We got a new tractor, scraping tractor, case 570. It's 570 MXT. It's got a brand new bucket on it, looks like. Got it from a local dealer. And I like this tire over here. It's got some tread on it. Too bad the other one's bald. Well, it's not really bald, but you know. It's in pretty decent shape. We bought it because we got a 570 in the shop that we can't figure out what's wrong with it. It's doesn't like to move. But I figured I'd get a shot of this one just before it gets destroyed with manure and all the other stuff. This ram's pretty beat up, probably from hitting mangers and stuff. But yeah, hopefully it'll do the job. Doesn't have the 3-point arms. We're gonna probably take the ones off the one that's not running very good and put them on. But, looks pretty nice. Got a nice seat. See if we can open the hood here. .9 Cummins. And the shut off actually works on this one. Let's see how the oil looks. It's up, that's good. Don't know how long it's been since it's been changed, but let's see. That filter was changed at 1,200. I didn't even look to see how many hours it has. 1,229. Huh. I wonder if those are original. Unfortunately, it does not look like it has a turbo. Yeah, the engine oil's been changed recently. I don't know if you can see the date on there, 8/29/17. So it's been changed recently. That's a little closer than we'd like it. Huh, looks like we got probably a master switch right there. Radiator looks in decent shape. But yep, no turbo. Looks like there's some garbage in the alternator, inside the alternator there. Wonder if that means the radiator has been changed. Well, should work nicely with that new bucket. We just get a decent scraper on the back and she'll be ready to roll. Let's start her up and see how she does in the cold. Ooh, got a little problem there. That's pretty sloppy. And the 3.9, so I doubt it has any glow plugs. 3-point works. Nope. Looks like we have a charging issue. Huh. Might be from all that junk in the radiator. Let's see if the horn works. Nope. That works. Oh, there it goes. Now it's charging. Just has to run for a minute. Seat swivels. It doesn't move forward though very easily. Let's see, that's the 4-wheel drive, that's diff lock. These are lights. I don't know what that one is. Maybe an ether injection. Let's see if the lights work. Not looking good. Well, get a good look at her before she gets dirty. Sweet. Yeah, well, at least get her warmed up enough in case somebody decides to get on there and hot rod it while it's cold. Anyways, I'll tell you one thing, they have really been needing to buy a new scraping tractor, because the other ones are getting wore out and getting a bunch of leaks on them. So back tires are not too great, but that's, as long as they hold air, that's good enough for them. Well, if you liked the video, hope you did. Have a happy new year, and we'll see you later.